Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar advances further since Friday's jump as the bulls now clear the level of the 60-day moving average of 66.1995 and puts a clear run on the next target, which is seen at 69 cents, way above here that was seen last in early June. However, keep an eye on this level around this 66.1995 as a New York close tomorrow beneath here would be very bearish and send the market well the way back towards the target of 65.40. But due to the current climb and the clearance has put further gains and also supports, and keep an eye on the MACD as well to a further potential bullish case. The US dollar has slipped further overnight to 101.20, which has helped the euro gain access to the 110 level. I'm looking now whether the market can actually clear the region of 110.35 to 110.70 as the dollar needs to increase its momentum very soon. Otherwise, we could be seeing a further slide down to about 100 to the index, which would help the market re-challenge these topside resistance area that was seen around May and slightly earlier in March, April. Dollar yen has plummeted further since taking out the key level that was at 140.5, and now momentum has increased. It looks to me that the market as in a whole was actually longer than anticipated, and you can see by some of the candles here that the stops, or mainly now their long positions, has increased the momentum to the downside. At present, the support comes in at 139.45, although we have seen a brief challenge here. Let's see if the market can stage a rebound off this level and therefore look back towards 140, 141. The technicals are extremely oversold and therefore does warrant a rebound and reassess from there. Looking at the weeklies, the sterling case still remains relatively bullish and holds towards the objective somewhere around 130 to 130.25. It is assessed though that the market could easily snap to the downside due to the fact there is a little bit of divergence here and therefore could see a rejection from this topside level that was last challenged back in early April area. The gold is also gaining further momentum as the market waits now for the US CPI number. It is all down to this number, and if we do see a slightly increase, this would actually find momentum or support the US dollar regaining and send the gold outlook back to the downside, and that's therefore looks towards 1,850. I haven't negated this level as of yet, but let's see how the market closes in New York, because above the level seen roughly around 1,942 would give the next target of 1,955. Wrapping up with all the market was cheering to the bullish case after breaking through $74 a barrel and now opens the pathway wider to an objective somewhere around the region of $78 a barrel and reassess from there. A nice trend coming through here with the ADX, a little bit of diversion with the RSI, so we could see a small pullback, but overall I feel the market is destined to challenge the top side and continue now that it's finally broken out of this pattern that's been holding since April. That is around that 74 cap. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look after the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.